Inspired to serve is doing something for someone or something and not wanting anything in return. That's inspired to serve to me. Name a few teammates right now. I'll just give you a couple. Patrick Terry in Orlando, the recent Hurricane Irma that came through there, and a lot of our teammates were impacted. He was the first one to start calling all of his teammates that worked directly with him, and anyone that he couldn't get in touch with, he went to their house to make sure that they were safe. Every single teammate in Orlando. That's inspired to serve. Derek Stowers, right? Head of our construction development department. He and his team spent multiple weeks down in Houston, turned around and spent a couple weeks in Florida. I've heard that him and maybe a couple of those other guys were sleeping in their trucks at night, right? Because there's no hotel rooms available in order to be down there to serve our teammates, right? They didn't have to do that. Loaded up and went down there. That's inspired to serve. We had a teammate at Caliber Collision. He gave a car. He gave one of his cars to another Review Desk teammate because he had an accident the week before. If that ain't inspired to serve, I don't know what is. And that's when you know you're doing something right as a company. When it gets that deep down, when it really, really draws them and makes them emotional. We're inspired to serve every single customer that comes in our front door, right? If it's a customer handing us the keys, if it's a dealership customer, if it's an insurance company, they're all of our customers. We also have internal customers, right? Which is our own teammates. We're all internal customers, and we all need to be inspired to serve each other, right? It's what can I do with you, for you, what can we do together to accomplish the end goal, which is serving our customers. There's not one person that I know that's a giver that hasn't gained. If we are restoring a customer or a non-customer or whatever, restoring lives is, we're not going to change our purpose, but Caliber Collision is about helping out in the communities that we serve, period, end of discussion. And we're in a lot of communities, and being able to do that and live out our purpose is a good day.